Alright guys, today working on the 2000 ZR2 Blazer here. I had the headlight, thought I had a headlight bulb blowed out, and it was actually a burnt where the plug goes. As you can see, it's burnt. It burnt through here on the one end, and that was causing my headlight not to work. So what I did, guys, bought one of these here ceramic, I believe it's a ceramic type plug for the headlight, and spliced into the wiring here and soldered it up. But the headlight bulb is 65 watt, and that could be why it probably burnt through. Too high a wattage bulb. But I've had this happen before on the other Blazer, on the black Blazer, and I ended up replacing them with the ceramic plug here, and then I haven't had any problems since. So you can get these off of eBay. They're ceramic type plug here, so they don't melt. If you're running a higher wattage bulb, then I think it's supposed to be like a 50 or 55 watt in there, and I've got that one there says 65 watts, so it's probably 10 watt over, and that's what caused the fitting to just get too hot right there and melt. But thought I'd throw that video out there for some people that are running a little bit higher wattage bulbs in their low beam side, and if your headlight goes out but your bulb's still good, it's probably this fitting right here. Your fittings probably went bad, and it's probably melted right there. Get you some of these ceramic ones, and that should take care of the problem for you. You just got to make sure that you get your correct wiring. In my case, it was a yellow and black wire goes to the black wire, and a straight yellow, just a solid yellow, went to the red wire on that for your plug. So you want to make sure that you get the correct when you take it apart, or when you cut your wires, make sure you know where your wires go, your black and your red, so you don't get that confused. And so we'll get this back together, and that should fix that problem. And I'm not sure on this other side if I've done that yet or not on this one. Looks like I might have already done it. Yeah, this side here, guys, I already done on this side. I had the same problem. Probably got a 65 watt bulb, and it melted the terminal. So thought I'd throw that video out there, a quick video on if you're running a higher wattage bulbs in your low beam side, you probably end up having to go ahead and change out your fitting here. You'll have to go with a ceramic type plug, more heavier duty, to withstand the heat, because there's a lot of heat generated through the wiring when you're running a 65 watt bulb. So I guess that's all I was going to say on that video there, guys. And I guess that'll wrap this video up on the headlight plug on the 2000 ZR2 Blazer. Like I said, the other that other Blazer there, one that's under the cover there, I've already changed both of those out. Those both been changed. So, and then I haven't had any issues since. I changed them out to the ceramic type connector here. More heavier duty, will withstand the heat a lot better than the factory stock plug. Factory stock plug, just a plastic type plug there, and you can see what it did there. Melted it, got too hot, and so consequently it won't make a good contact there. Won't make a good contact, so the headlight will work. So if you check out some of my other videos on what I did here on this on the high beam, I changed it out to an LED. I think it's a 6-sided. It's either a 4-sided or 6-sided LED bulb, which made a huge difference on my bright lights. And those LEDs, they really don't produce any heat other than this here heat sink here on the back gets a little warm. But other than that, they run pretty cool. That's the only downfall side on the LEDs is in the wintertime. If you get snow built up on your headlight here, the LEDs won't melt the snow off, whereas the your standard bulb gets enough heat, gets hot enough to melt the snow off the front of your headlight. But with the LEDs, you won't get that. So that's why I run the standard bulb on the low beam, and then run the LED on the high beam. And then also, guys, I got those connected. So when the high beams, or when the high beam's on, the low beam's on as well. If you check out one of my other videos, I show you how to do that. It's a simple wire. You take and ground one of your wires here off your low beam, and you just run it to ground. Just ground it somewhere, like right here. I got it grounded here, and then that way when you kick your high beams on, your low beams stay on too. So you got all 4 beams lighting up the roadway at the same time, which makes it a lot nicer at night as far as lighting up the road. And you can check out one of my other videos there. I explain on how to do that, on how to hook that up so you have all 4 beams running at the same time on these S10s, S10 Blazers and S10 pickups. So I guess that's all I got on this video, guys, and we will catch you guys all in the next video.